Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can switch your opponent in Monopoly Go. Now before you can switch your opponent in Monopoly Go, you need to first attack them. And to attack an opponent, you need to land on this train looking box. So there are going to be like 4 of these train looking boxes, one on each corner, one over here, another over here, here and here. So you need to click on go, roll a dice and make sure that you land on one of these boxes. Now once you land on one of these tiles, it's going to take you to this place where you guys can attack your opponent. Now let's say you don't want to attack this opponent. At the bottom you will see the option called switch opponent. You want to click on switch opponent. Once you click on switch opponent, it's going to take you to this place. Over here you can click on revenge, and every single people who has attacked you until now, you can choose one of them and attack them and raid them. But if you don't want to raid them, you can click on your friends and it's going to show you a list of your friend and you can raid any one of your friend. Just click on go right beside the person's name to whoever you want to raid, and then it's going to switch your opponent just like this. So that's how we guys can switch opponent on Monopoly Go. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.